more girls to go into the technical sector.
Today we are here to be part of the second edition of the biggest education and job fair, Educata 2020. And once again, Don Bosco is present to exhibit some of its products and services, particularly TVET.
We want to bring together Ghanaian and international stakeholders this morning and the next 2 days of the educational sector in this hybrid system, which is still a little bit to be developed, but I think we're going to sort it out.
Thank you for investing your valuable time to participate as well. Ladies and gentlemen,
one of the main aims of this government, one of the main drivers of this government, is to make Ghana a country where its citizens will prosper within the country. It means quickly industrializing the nation and better educating the citizens.
We are happy to be here. We at Don Bosco, we also take advocacy seriously, and we will take opportunities like this. The event has been very, very successful. There are a lot of organizations exhibiting here, and there are a lot of people who are patronizing. There are also a lot of other events which are ongoing, very insightful, educative, and it's always good to be here and find us everywhere. You know, Don Bosco, we are here.
This program is a very educative program, and as you can see, there are a lot of opportunities around. Looking at the booth that has been set up, they all come with different opportunities. So this really is a job opportunity fair, and it has been very interesting looking at the people who have visited our booth. Some have very high regards for Don Bosco and the good things that we are doing.
Has been very helpful because since morning I've been able to have a kind of communication with various people, and I've had so many insights when it comes to education, also TVET.
The experience here has been very massive so far. As a matter of fact, we have a lot of organizations here.
If you are talking about solar and solar in Africa, I believe the future will be very bright for the solar, because as we know, we have 2 points. One is this climate crisis, that we have to see how to come from fossil energy to renewable energies. That is one point. But also the solar energy becomes more and more cheaper and more reliable. So actually up to now, the solar energy is the cheapest source of energy what we can do. And therefore I'm sure that is also for Ghana the future. So therefore there will be more and bigger projects in Ghana for solar, and for these projects we are training the youngsters.
gotten to an age where they say gender equality. But when you get to the technical side, ladies are not there, girls are not there. The society is somehow against ladies going to the TVET centers, doing technical courses like electricals, auto. Ladies can do it, and I encourage more girls to go into the technical sector, which will help them in the near future in getting jobs. It's quite easy if you're a lady and you are in the technical field. Thank you very much.